So you have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and you have an issue where you forgot your password or it's not working. It could be your password, PIN, or pattern. If that's the case, I'm going to show you how to factory reset it, okay? Now remember, with a factory reset, you will lose all your information, your photos, videos, personal documents, and so on. So if you have anything important on here, hopefully you already have it backed up. Now we can factory reset. It doesn't matter if the phone is folded or open. We'll just keep it open here, okay? So first thing is this, all right? Let's go ahead and grab your cable. Make sure it's plugged into a computer or a PC or a laptop. Doesn't matter if it's a Windows computer, a Chromebook, or this is a MacBook. Even a Apple computer is fine, okay? You just want to go ahead and plug it in, okay? Now the thing is, previously it would work without plugging the computer, so you can try it without using a computer. If it doesn't work, then go ahead next and try to plug it into a computer, okay? Anyway, so I have it plugged in. So typically the first thing we got to do is turn it off, but if I bring up the power off menu here and I try to turn it off, it's asking me for my PIN that's or password that's not working, or I forgot, okay? So this is what we have to do. While it's plugged in to our computer, what we're going to do is two key combination. We're going to press and hold the volume down and power button. We're going to press and hold both buttons, count to 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, let go of only the volume down, and then press and hold that volume up and keep on holding until we see a Samsung logo appear, all right? Never take your finger off the power button. So we'll do this together, okay? All right, so volume down, power, ready, set, go. Press and hold for 15 seconds. Keep on holding. Volume down, power, still holding here. 12, 13, 14, 15. Let go of the volume down. Now press and hold the volume up. I never took my finger off that power button. Now hold it here for like another 15 seconds or so, and until we see the Samsung logo appear, then let go of both buttons, all right? Still holding here. Volume up and power button still now. Where's that Samsung logo at? Sometimes you may have to try this a couple times. Oh, there it is. Now let go, okay? Now this should boot us up into the Android recovery menu. If it doesn't, do the whole process over again, okay? I got it here. Now we need to go down to wipe data / factory reset. To move up or down, use the volume rockers. Volume up or down, okay? Volume up or volume down, whatnot. So we're gonna go down to wipe data / factory reset. Now in red right here is very important. It says, if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, your Gmail, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it. So basically what will happen, if you had a Gmail account that was synced to the app and you do the factory reset, once you're done the factory reset and you start going through the setup, eventually, like 3/4 of the way before setup's complete, to proceed, you're going to either need your PIN, password, or pattern from before, or your Google account, your Gmail and password that's associated, that's synced to this phone, okay? So we're going to go ahead and proceed, wipe data / factory reset. If you want to proceed, to select it, you tap on that power button, okay? So we're going to tap on the power button. And this information in red is basically saying when you do this, it cannot be undone, okay? So if you want to proceed, go down to factory data reset. So we're going to go to volume down one time, highlight factory data reset, and now, here we go. Ready? Power button. To select it, go. Wipe data complete. Now it defaults us back up here. It says reboot system now, and that's exactly what we want. So to select reboot system now, we're going to go ahead and tap on that power button, and now it's going to proceed with the factory reset. And this whole process takes like 1 to 2 minutes, so just be patient here. It'll be stuck on here for about a minute, so just be patient. Voila, guys, we are in business. Any other questions or issues? Comment below. Good luck, guys.